We begin with Kelly Meyer, who is live outside of the Supreme Court. So, Kelly, what exactly does this leaked draft reveal?
Well, Nichole, it reveals exactly what many out here feared could happen. The Supreme Court potentially moving to overturn a half a century of legal precedent, leaving it up to the states to decide whether a woman has a right to have an abortion. Now, Chief Justice John Roberts releasing a statement today saying this is just a draft and the opinion could change. But two law professors I spoke with today say that's unlikely.
Tonight, a Supreme Court bombshell confirmed. Chief Justice John Roberts saying in a statement a leak of the draft abortion ruling is real, writing, although the document described in yesterday's report is authentic, it does not represent a decision by the court or the final position of any member on the issues in the case. His comments come after the stunning leak of a draft opinion obtained by Politico revealing the conservative majority is moving towards striking down the landmark Roe v. Wade decision, a 50-year-old Supreme Court ruling that gave women the right to have an abortion. In the 98-page decision written by Justice Samuel Alito, Alito says, quote, Roe was egregiously wrong from the start. In the document labeled as the, quote, opinion of the court, Alito writes, quote, we hold that Roe and Casey must be overruled. Casey versus Planned Parenthood is the 1992 case that reaffirmed Roe. Alito added it is time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives. Justices Thomas, Gorsuch, Kavanaugh, and Barrett voted with Alito after oral arguments this past December. Gorsuch, Kavanaugh, and Barrett all confirmed under former President Donald Trump. President Joe Biden's pick for the Supreme Court, Ketanji Brown Jackson, isn't involved in this decision. She won't take the bench until Justice Stephen Breyer steps down this summer. The draft circulated in early February among justices and clerks could change, but the impact of the initial opinion is already sending shockwaves across the court and the country.
And you can see the impact of that document in real time here outside the Supreme Court, many hoping that decision changes, others already celebrating the potential ruling. You can see the crowds here gathering, many of these holding signs against this potential ruling. This is about as close as we could get, Nichole, because there are barricades set up here, actually more than we saw last night. We were out here up until the late, early morning hours last night. They extended the barricades now into the roads, pushing some of those that are against this ruling over here. But again, many coming out here tonight. We are seeing both those celebrating this potential decision and those obviously here, as you can hear, against it. Nichole?
All right, yeah, Kelly Meyer giving us that live look there. Thank you for that. Thank you for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.